If you're serious about woodworking, sticking with basic tools only gets you so far. To tackle more ambitious projects, you need equipment that matches your skill. With so many gadgets and machines out there, picking the right ones can be confusing. That's why we've put together a list of woodworking tools on Amazon that are truly on another level. All the woodworking tools links are in the description below. Number 30, Oliver HCX Helical Cutterhead. This planer has a powerful 2 horsepower motor that runs on 15 amps and 115 volts, giving you top quality results and lasting durability, all in a small benchtop design. A standout feature is the Oliver HCX Cutterhead, which has a special helical and shearing design like the ones found in larger machines, and it cuts across a full 13-inch width. It also has a 2-speed feed system, so you can adjust the speed depending on the material you're working with, getting the best performance for all types of wood. Its 4-post design keeps the Cutterhead aligned with the table, ensuring you get smooth, accurate cuts every time. Number 29, Dewalt PowerBoot. The PowerBoot attaches to your drill's battery and holds fasteners, bits, and other small items. It even includes a built-in magnet for extra convenience. Weighing only 227 grams, it keeps important components secure and easy to access when you need them. With its smart design, you won't have to worry about losing small parts or searching for the right bit. Everything is right there at your fingertips. Number 28, Irwin Combination Square. This handy little measuring tool is a must-have for anyone who likes clean, accurate lines in their work. With a rust-proof stainless steel blade and precision-etched markings, it gives you reliable measurements every time. The durable cast zinc body feels solid in the hand, and it's perfect for marking 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles with ease. It's simple, sturdy, and super useful in any woodworking or DIY setup. Definitely one of those tools you'll keep reaching for. Number 27, James Wetols Slitter. This tool effortlessly cuts through galvanized steel up to 0.7 millimeters thick, delivering smooth, scratch-free results. For just $340, it offers excellent value. The Tree Dents Check system quickly scans, evaluates, and uploads all types of aircraft damage to a cloud database, completing the job in only 10% of the usual time. Airbus has verified its efficiency. Lightweight and compact, the Slitter fits comfortably on your tool belt and operates without power. It can be pulled with one hand, leaving smooth, scratch-free cuts on both pieces of metal. Number 26, Lexicon Aluminum Miter Saw. This protractor is a serious time saver for anyone working with trim, crown molding, or custom angles. Made from durable anodized aluminum and CNC machined for accuracy, it features clear, laser-engraved scales that are easy to read. The smooth internal O-ring lets the tool rotate effortlessly, giving you precise measurements on both inside and outside corners. No more second-guessing angles, just measure and transfer directly to your miter saw for perfect cuts every time. It's built to last, rust-proof, and super handy for anyone who wants to get the job done right the first time without all the guesswork. Number 25, Slabathor. The Slabathor robotic router sled is designed to handle wood of any size, effortlessly flattening everything from end grain cutting boards to massive slabs, making your builds faster and easier. It automatically planes wood of all sizes, saving your back and speeding up your projects. Lighter woods like cherry are transformed into stunning coffee tables with ease, while walnut and sapele come together to create a beautiful headboard. Even the densest woods like Ipe and Jatoba, paired with epoxy, become gorgeous end tables, all thanks to the efficient work of Slabathor. Number 24, Dewalt Oscillating Toolkit. This multi-tool really steps up your game in any workshop or DIY setting. With a 3-speed selector, you can match the speed to the job you're slicing through trim, sanding, or scraping. The brushless motor gives you noticeably more runtime, and the dual grip variable speed trigger makes it easy to control with precision. Swapping out blades is super quick thanks to the tool-free system, and it even works with accessories from other brands. Plus, there's a bright LED to light up those tight, shadowy spaces. Number 23, Slammer Tool. The Slammer Tool is a handy multi-tool that combines a sledgehammer, a digging bar, and an axe head all in one. It's a great budget-friendly alternative to heavy machines or using herbicides, especially when you're working in tight spots where other tools can't reach. It's built tough with a simple design. The Slammer uses the force of the inner bar to drive the cutting blade through hard ground, both wood or concrete. The slide hammer action means you can hit the same spot over and over with a lot of force, making it really effective. Number 22, Milescraft Center Finder. If you ever struggle to find the exact center of your workpiece, this little tool makes it ridiculously easy. You're marking the center of a board or setting consistent offsets. It's designed to give you fast, accurate results every time. Just slide it along the edge and it scribes the perfect center line. No measuring tape needed. It works on square, round, or irregular shapes, making it super handy for all kinds of woodworking projects. Number 21, Dodowin Connectable Contour Tool. This shape copying tool is perfect for anyone who needs to trace odd curves, corners, or tricky outlines. Working on pipes, tiles, flooring, or molding, it helps you get the exact shape in seconds. No guessing, no mess-ups. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's built to last and even comes with a locking feature and adjustable tightness for better accuracy. With measurements in both inches and centimeters, it's super easy to use for any DIY or professional job. Number 20, Micro Jig Dovetail Clamps. These clever little clamps change the game when it comes to securing your workpieces. Instead of being stuck with pre-made tracks or edges, you can just cut a groove using a standard dovetail router bit and clamp wherever you need, right in the middle of your workspace, along the edge, or in totally custom setups. The unique design slides perfectly into a 3/8 inch deep dovetail groove, giving you total flexibility. Working on jigs, fixtures, or complex builds, these clamps give you the freedom to work smarter, not harder. Number 19. Digital Electronic Level. This digital angle gauge and level is a super handy tool for getting accurate measurements on the fly. Setting angles, checking relative ones, or just using it as a level, it's easy to use and super precise. The reverse contrast display is bright and auto-rotates, so you can read it clearly even when it's upside down. It has a strong magnetic base that sticks firmly to metal surfaces like saw blades, conduit, or vents, making hands-free work a breeze. With V-groove edges for secure alignment and an IP42 rating for water and dust resistance, it's built for real job site use. Number 18, Edward Tools Rubber Mallet Hammer. This 16-ounce rubber mallet is a solid choice for those softer hits where you need force without leaving a mark. Driving tent stakes, installing flooring, or working on woodworking projects, it delivers a soft but effective blow. The eco-friendly rubber head is tough and built to last, and it won't damage surfaces like a traditional hammer might. The ergonomic grip handle feels great in the hand, offering control and comfort during use. Number 17, Milescraft Sanding Block. This clever little sanding block is a real multitasker for any workshop. It's designed with 4 different profiles: flat, convex, concave, and a tight edge, so you can smooth just about any surface, from wide boards to tricky corners and curves. Swapping sandpaper is a breeze thanks to the quick snap lock system, letting you switch from coarse to fine grit in seconds. It works with any standard 1/4 sheet of sandpaper, so no need for special sizes. Number 16, Milescraft Joint Mate. This handheld dowel jig makes joining wood super easy, working on corners, edges, or flat surfaces. It's compact, simple to use, and takes the guesswork out of lining things up. With self-centering pins and 3 metal bushing sizes 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch, you can tackle a variety of projects without needing extra tools. The included fence helps keep everything straight and steady, giving you clean, accurate joints every time. It's perfect for building furniture, shelves, or frames, and a great go-to for both beginners and experienced woodworkers who want solid, professional-looking results without a complicated setup. Number 15, Wetols Corner Clamp. These handy 90-degree clamps are perfect for anyone tackling DIY woodworking projects. Building cabinets, boxes, or picture frames, they help hold everything in place at the perfect right angle. They fit board thicknesses from 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch and are super easy to use even one-handed thanks to their lightweight design and strong spring-loaded grip. Made from durable polyamide material, they're built to last and can handle plenty of pressure while keeping your work steady for screwing or gluing. With a set of 4 in a nice gift box, they also make a great gift for any tool-loving guy. Number 14. Black+Decker 20-volt sander. This cordless orbital sander is a great tool to have for quick and efficient sanding jobs. With a speed of 12,000 OPM, it removes paint, stain, and varnish in no time. The compact design makes it super easy to handle, reducing hand fatigue during longer tasks. Swapping sandpaper is quick with the hook and loop system, and the onboard dust collection keeps your workspace cleaner and helps you see what you're working on. It runs on a 20-volt lithium-ion battery that holds a charge for months, making it perfect for grab-and-go use. Number 13. Ruitool Japanese Hand Saw. This compact 6-inch pull saw is a go-to for anyone who needs clean, precise cuts in their woodworking projects. With a double-edged blade, 17 TPI on one side for hardwood and 14 TPI on the other for softwood, it handles both rip and cross cuts with ease. The blade is made from tough SK5 high-carbon steel, giving it just the right mix of durability and flexibility. The triple ground teeth are super sharp, allowing for smoother, faster cuts and efficient chip removal. Lightweight and easy to control, it's perfect for flush trimming and fine detail work. Number 12. Kreg Hinge. Installing cabinet hinges just got way easier with this clever little jig. Designed specifically for 35mm concealed hinges, it helps you drill perfect holes every single time, no more guesswork or misaligned doors. You get drill press level accuracy, even with just a handheld drill, thanks to its precision guide system. The built-in indexing cams and measurement scales make it simple to line things up exactly where you need them. Working with 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, or 6mm offsets, it's fully adjustable and super easy to use. Number 11. Skil Router Table. This router combo kit is a solid setup for anyone getting serious about routing. The table comes packed with handy features like above-the-table adjustment, built-in bit storage, a starter pin, and dual feather boards that help you get precise, clean results every time. It also includes a powerful 10-amp, 2.0 horsepower fixed base router with soft start, variable speed control, and a live tool indicator. Great for smooth, controlled cutting. The wide 24-inch fence with adjustable MDF faceplates makes it easy to work with taller pieces, and the ergonomic handles give you a comfortable grip for those longer sessions in the shop. Number 10. Einhell Cordless Circular Saw. This cordless circular saw is compact, lightweight, and super easy to handle, perfect for making clean, accurate cuts without feeling bulky in your hands. You can adjust the cutting depth and tilt angle without any tools, which makes quick changes on the fly a breeze. It's got a solid aluminum base plate for stability, a bright LED light for better visibility, and even a dust extractor adapter to help keep your workspace clean. Swapping out the blade is simple with the spindle lock, and it works with both 10mm and 16mm core saw blades. Number 9. Professional Router Bit Kit. If you're into woodworking, this 35-piece router bit set is a solid addition to your toolkit. Each bit is CNC machined for precision cuts, and the sharp C2 carbide blades give clean, accurate results every time. The powder-coated finish adds durability, while shear angle technology boosts cutting quality and chip removal, making your work smoother and faster. With a universal 1/4 inch shank, these bits fit most handheld or table routers and work great on wood, MDF, plywood, and even plastic. It all comes neatly packed in a portable case, complete with a helpful poster, conversion chart, and extra bearings for convenience. Number 8. StewMac Precision Router. This precision router base is a must-have for anyone doing fine inlay work, fret slot widening, or detailed freehand routing. Built with tough steel, brass, and aluminum, it's made to last a lifetime and gives you serious stability while you work. The tall twin handles offer great control and clear visibility, which is perfect when you're working on delicate projects. Depth adjustments are super easy with large thumb wheels that let you dial in your cut down to 0.035 inches. It installs quickly on most rotary tools, has built-in dust control, and even flips upside down for use as a mini drum sander. Number 7. Cosco SmartFold Workbench. This folding workbench is a total game changer for any workspace. With a solid hardwood top and a sturdy steel frame, it can handle up to 700 pounds. Perfect for heavy-duty projects. The locking casters make it easy to move around when needed and keep it firmly in place when you're working. The best part, it folds down flat for compact storage, so it doesn't eat up space when not in use. Number 6. Einhell Dual Sliding Miter Saw. This dual sliding miter saw is a powerhouse for anyone working with wood, trim, or framing projects. It runs on corded electric power, giving you consistent performance without worrying about batteries running low. The sliding function allows for wider cuts, while the adjustable angles make miters and bevels super easy to dial in. With solid build quality and smooth operation, it handles everything from precise trims to heavier duty cuts. It comes with useful attachments to get you started right out of the box, and the 220-volt motor packs plenty of punch for serious DIYers or workshop regulars. Number 5. Daydoor Centering Doweling Jig. This self-centering doweling jig is a real gem for anyone who wants precise, straight holes without the headache. Built with tough aluminum alloy sides and a hardened steel body, it's made to last and resist bending. The clamp holds boards securely and aligns perfectly with engraved center lines, making setup fast and accurate. It fits boards from 0.4 inches to 2.1 inches thick, and the included steel bushings and drill bits help you get consistent results without constant readjusting. Building cabinets, shelves, or tables, this tool makes creating strong, clean joints like T-joints and edge joints super easy and efficient. Number 4. Double-sided woodworking tape. This double-sided woodworking tape is a total game changer for holding your projects in place without clamps getting in the way. It's super strong and sticks firmly to wood, making it perfect for router templates, CNC setups, and other precision tasks. Each roll gives you a full 120 feet of 1-inch wide adhesive, so you've got plenty to work with for multiple jobs. It peels off clean without leaving sticky residue, saving time on cleanup. A woodcrafter DIYer or working in a pro shop, this tape gives you reliable hold without the hassle. Simple, strong, and super handy to have around. Number 3. Sharpening Stone. This complete sharpening set is perfect for keeping your chisels and plane blades razor sharp. It comes with everything you need, including a sharpening stone, flattening stone, and a honing guide to help you get the perfect angle every time. Restoring old tools or just keeping your current gear in top shape, this kit makes the job easy and precise. The setup is beginner friendly, but solid enough for pros, giving your edges that smooth polish finish. Number 2. Thin Rip Jig Table Saw. Cutting thin, consistent strips on a table saw just got way easier. This jig slides right into your miter slot and locks in place, helping you get super precise, repeatable cuts without the hassle. It extends out up to 8 inches, and the built-in scale, marked in both inches and millimeters, makes setup simple. The one-way roller bearing keeps things safe by preventing kickback, so your workpiece only moves forward. Working on fine trim or repetitive narrow cuts, this tool helps you keep every strip identical to the last, all while speeding up your workflow and keeping things accurate. Number 1. Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool. Marking precise lines just got way easier with this compact tool in your kit. If you're working on wood, metal, or tiles, it lets you scribe clean, accurate lines even in those tricky deep or tight spots. It's made of durable aluminum alloy, so it feels solid in your hand and can handle rough use on the job site or in the workshop. The deep hole pencil is a nice touch, too great for marking through holes or along awkward edges. If you like clean measurements and no guesswork, this tool quickly becomes one of those things you didn't know you needed. That's it for today's roundup. Let us know in the comments which tool caught your eye or made it onto your wish list. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.